Come test drive the 2026 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.